Yeah. All right. All right. Woo! That is a big paddle there.
Guys.
All right, that was the first one you found just 1 minute after you started looking.
Yeah.
And that's a nice paddle right there.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
That's the good one.
How much do you think that weighs?
20
Hey,
pounds.
hey! Got Mason, right here by this tree.
What, there's one right here?
I ain't kidding. On the backside.
All right.
Hey, it's another.
Is it a matching set?
No. Almost.
That one looks like it's been there a while.
Yeah, that one might have been there. Right there, that's where it'll land.
All right, that's beautiful right there.
Now that one, it was buried underneath the snow. All you could see is I got video of him.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, because I told him to come over. And it was laying, and you could see the tips of it.
This thing weighs like 15
It was all the way
pounds.
underneath the
It's just
snow.
pure. So,
Look, chipmunk are
look at that.
All right.
I would try to put this on my
Way to go.
They go, we can slide down the hill.
Ah!
Boys,
How do
I
they
don't
tote
know.
this?
Yeah, you might be able to even use that as a slide.
That's what we were saying.
Yeah.
That's what we were saying.
Well, give it a try.
Can you put these at the house?
Mm-hmm.
Here, boys, get up.
I'm gonna get them.
Whoop, it is slippery.
Get up, stand up. I wanna get
if you can be a
Get up, hey.
Boy,
Get
I'm
up,
trying to
Uncle B
sled.
with the thing, so I can get a picture with y'all with y'all's horn.
Yeah, let me grab the guitar.
You hold one, I'll hold one, and he can hold one.
Yeah, hey, boy.
I got the guitar.
Yeah. I down it. I saw it.
Here, turn that way.
Oh, there you go.
All right, ready? Hold it out. The big one. Come on. Y'all are like having a hard time holding on to it.
It's heavy.
All right.
Okay, let's go try and sled.
Y'all want to sled?
Yeah.
We gotta find you sled.
You're gonna sled on the
Please don't kill yourselves on the tree.
So here you go, Uncle.
Here you go.
I'm gonna give